Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this particular video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very powerful strategy you can use to make money in the market. This particular strategy is a very powerful strategy, and I've been using this particular strategy to make a whole lot of money in the market. That is the reason why I have to come right here to share it with you, so you all can actually use this particular strategy to make money as well. Even as a new beginner trading today, you can actually make use of this particular strategy to make a whole lot of money in the market, guys. I've been using this particular strategy for over 6 months now, and it has been giving me a consistent, profit. As you all know, any strategy I'm actually trying out for a longer period of time and it's giving me a very good winning rate. I'm definitely going to come right here to show you how you can trade that particular strategy as well in order to make money. So guys, I really want you to know that your success and your profitability is always my priority. That is why I always come right here every Tuesdays and Fridays to always update you on how you can remain profitable in the market. So the best way for you guys to support me is to subscribe to this channel, share this video so it can reach the wider audience, guys. So this particular strategy is a very simple one, and we're going to be making use of 2 indicators. So for you to know where your indicator is, you're going to come over to the indicator section right here. The first indicator we're going to be using is Voltex, and the second one is OSMA. Settings of my Voltex comes with the period of 20, while right here on the style level, I'm going to be making use of the green, and I'm going to be turning each of them on 2 pixels, guys. I'm going to be using them on 2 pixels, so when you're done, you're going to hit save. So the second indicator, which is OSMA, comes with the fast EMA period of 12, the slow EMA period of 26, while the signal SMA period as 9. Right here on the style level, we're going to be making use of a green color as well, and you're going to increase the opacity just a bit. So when you're done, just click on save. So that is just pretty much all about the settings of the 2 indicators we're going to be using in this particular strategy, guys. So guys, this is how the strategy works, guys. The first thing you need to consider whenever you're buying in the market is to see your 2 Voltex line intersect each other. The green line and the red line has to intersect each other, giving you a very good confirmation. Not only that, guys, in the case of a buy trade, your OSMA indicator must be able to print out at least 3 candlesticks to give you a very good confirmation that a trade, guys. So guys, this particular strategy, I'm actually making use of 15 seconds candle time frame. I'm making use of Heikin Ashi candlestick. Not only that, guys, I'm also trading this particular strategy with 1 minute. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, for you to better understand this particular strategy, I'm going to go into the market right away. When I find an opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, you find a very good opportunity right here for a sell trade. I'm going to be entering a sell trade opportunity right at this particular level, guys. The first thing we consider right here is the intersection of our Voltex indicator. In the case of a sell trade, guys, the red line has to be above the green line, guys. And not only that, guys, you must be able to see at least 2 or 3 OSMA candles printing out before you can actually place a trade. Another thing I do advise you to put into consideration, guys, is also your candlestick. You must be able to have a stable candlestick before you actually place a trade. Situation whereby your candlestick are choppy like this, please do not place a trade. Rather, you must be able to see a stronger candlestick just like what we have right here before you place a trade. You must also consider that your Voltex indicator is pretty much important, and also your OSMA indicator. And you can see right here, guys, we make a very good profit right at this particular level, guys. So this particular strategy, you can actually try it out with 1 minute 30 seconds or 2 minutes. It all depends on the one that really works for you, guys. So guys, I'm going to go into the market again. When I find another opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, you find a very good opportunity at this particular level, guys. Let's actually enter a buy trade right at this particular level, guys. So guys, the first thing we consider before we enter a trade is our candlestick. You can see right here we have a very strong candlestick lining up at this particular level. Not only that, you can also see our Voltex indicator intersect each other right at this particular level as well. And our OSMA candle also printing out, giving us a very good indication to enter a trade. But the best thing I do advise you anytime you're trading is that whenever your OSMA candles are pretty much stronger, please do not enter a trade. You must be able to enter a trade when you see at least 2, 3, 4, maximum of 4 or 5 in the market before you place a trade. That will really help you to enter a trade on time. I hope you're getting it right. So as you can see right here again, we also make a very good profit, guys. This particular strategy is a very simple one and also a very, very powerful one, guys. So I've always said your candlesticks are pretty much important. Not only that, The intersection of your vortex indicator must be considered, while the OSMA candles must be able to print out at least 2, 3, or 4, while the maximum of 5 must be able to come out before you place a trade. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, I'm going to go into the market again. I think that will be my last trade. When I find an opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, I think we'll have another opportunity right at this particular level. Well, I'm actually not taking a trade yet. The reason is because if you could see right here, we have a resistant level right at this particular level right here, guys. So anytime you want to take a trade, when your trade hits a resistant level, please do not take a trade as at that particular time. You see right at this particular level, this is a W in the market. If you watch my previous video, you will understand what I'm talking about right here. So right at this particular level, this is a resistant level right here. So there are high tendency that the market might actually bounce from here down to this particular level. That's the reason why I'm not taking a trade. So I think in my next video, I'm going to talk about key zones in the market, which you need to put into consideration so that you not be entering a blind trade, guys. So I didn't enter a trade right here because I knew the market might actually reverse back to this particular level. It can actually come over right here to form a multiplication block, or actually bounce back to this particular support level, guys. So I'm going to go into the market to find another opportunity, guys. So guys, we find a very good opportunity at this particular level. Let's enter for a buy trade right at this particular level, guys. As you can see right here, we have a consistent candlestick formation right at this particular level. We have a very strong candlestick formation right here. Not only that, guys, our vortex line intersect each other. In the case of a buy trade, the green line is actually above the red line, giving us a very good opportunity to enter a trade. And also our OSMA indicator, you can see we have a stronger candles right at this particular level, giving us another good indication to enter a trade. So guys, we have 16 seconds towards the end of this particular trade. Let's wait and see how this trade will turn out to be. As you can see, guys, we hit another good profit right here. We hit a very good profit right at this particular level. So as you all can see, the trade we all took today, we won all this trade right here. And I've been making money in the market using this particular strategy, guys. So guys, I advise you to try out this particular strategy on your demo account. And not only that, to ensure you use the amount of money you know you can lose in the market. So with this particular strategy, I'm giving it a 95% winning rate. That means if you take 10 trades, 9 trade will definitely come your way, guys. I want you to try out this particular strategy and let me know your experience with this particular strategy on the comment section. This is where I'm going to stop on this particular video, guys. If you love this video, do ensure you like the video, share these videos to your loved ones, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do ensure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our amazing videos, guys. Till I see you again in another video, keep trading, guys, and bye for now.